I can't believe again. This card also talks about wish fulfillment, your prayers coming true, a new beginning for almost everybody in their love life. This is actually for you. There is something in your life that clearly needs attention right now. I've been strongly getting intuition to do a reading for you. If this video has reached you, definitely there is something alarming that universe wants you to know. Really, a very big shift is going to come with this year ending as well. Hi, my name is Nidisha, also known as the Tarot Girl, and I also do personalized reading, one-to-one sessions for tarot, for manifestation, for your needs. You can click the link in the description to book the tarot slot or WhatsApp me on the number seen in the screen, and I'll be there to help you. So yeah, let's get started. What is it that universe is actually trying to let you know right now? These messages, these intuitions and the dreams that I've been getting are so strong that there is something alarming in your life in a good way that is going to happen. So let's see what is it, what's coming up, what's coming through. Connect to my energies and these divine cards. Just connect by closing your eyes. If this video is helping you or has helped you in previously, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Let's begin. As I just mentioned, this is a good change. This is the change you've been waiting for since the start of the year, but now it's coming in the end of the year. If you look at this card, Star, it is the wish fulfillment card. It is the love, commitment, new beginnings, romantic start, romantic commitment, true love. That is what this card talks about. This reading couldn't have started better. It's so strongly saying that you are going to reach this stage of fulfillment, satisfaction, trust, faith, assurity in your life, more specifically in the matter of love. And for a very few set of people, your finances are also changing for its good. This is also a card of new source of income and new money, promotions, business giving suddenly huge orders and big clients, a big change card. This is talking about a drastic change, a sudden change, overnight change into your life. Let's get into more further details, what cards have to say, what universe has to unfold for you. Keep connecting to my energies, keep concentrating on these cards. Fine. I can't believe again. This card also talks about wish fulfillment. This card also talks about your dream, your prayers coming true. And same was this card talking about. This is in fact the card of wish fulfillment. This is the card of justice that has come up. The justice is going to be served. It's like when you all the time do the good, you put the efforts, you've put your emotions, you've put your hard work into that person, into that situation. And all this while, in the last 4 to 6 months, you were not getting any returns. Almost since June, April, second half of the year, the things have gotten more worse. And now you are on the verge of giving up on everything. And that's when exactly this is working out. This is the justice. The justice will be served. For a very few set of people, if you've been going through a case of divorce, separation, been seeking answer, approvals from your parents for your love life, been seeking approval from your boss for a change, maybe change in position, change in city, change in country, or higher money, all that will come true. The justice, things will turn in your favor is what the card is talking about. All the stress, sleeplessness, health issue that you've been going through, physical upsetness that you've been going through, all this will reduce. You will actually be released from all the juggle and jumble and the toxic and the sour situations of your life. In fact, the right will come your way. The truthful will come your way. The one that you actually are worth it of. The person who is worth of you, the one that you are worth of will come your way. A new beginning for almost everybody in their love life. Those in committed relationship, parents not agreeing, the partner not taking a stand, you not knowing what to do, all that is coming true. The love you seek will seek you now. Keep saying this. In fact, keep saying this affirmation: the love that I seek seeks me. The love that I seek seeks me. This is a tip from me that will actually help you amplify your frequencies. In fact, if you are looking for a committed relationship, marriage, love to happen even faster, because these cards are very supportive now, you really want that peace to come up, you can start wearing morganite bracelets, and morganite bracelet, and you can also start wearing clear cords in your life. The clarity will start coming into your life. You can buy it from me if you want. You can WhatsApp me, but these two crystals will really help you. Let's see, where is the next phase of your life going, and what all good surprises, anything that you need to know. Now, okay, wow. The third party, this is for a few set of people in whose life there was a lot of influence of third party. Third party not necessarily means third person as in romantically third person, but also means somebody like friends, family, relatives who are poking nose, who are being a disturbance in your situation, in your life. All those third person's involvement that was there will actually get away, and you will be able, the reality will come out. Your partner will realize your worth. Your parents, your partner will realize what you actually want, what you actually seek. And those who are single, the stories of the past, the disturbances of the past, the confusion from the past will go away, because as I said, there's a new person coming in, there's a new proposal coming in, there's a new romance coming into your life, and more solid, more rock solid. And this will come through either if you're traveling somewhere, you'll meet this person on the journey of travel, or this is also a social media card. Somebody through friends of friends, through social media, through online portals is how you're going to meet this person. And this is going to be more concrete, this is going to be more committed relationship. This will lead to marriage. I just said marriage, and the bottom, the energy card talks about marriage. This is the card of marriage. A lot of marriages is what you will see in the first half of January, or in the first quarter of January. Commitment, engagement, roka, new relationship, new proposal, right proposal, all the past trauma going away, all the past disturbances of third people going up, third person, third party going away. In fact, you're going to realize that all these things happen to make you stronger, to make you more capable, to make you more independent. The last 4 or 5 months that you've been going through has actually made you and the person and the whole situation created in such a way that you realize, you get more grounded, you get more spiritual, you start believing, you start surrendering. You've almost surrendered, and that's why everything has come to you. Just keep repeating this every single day. I have surrendered, I am ready for the flow, and I'm ready for the new. I'm ready for the flow, I'm ready for the new. Keep repeating this in the start of the new year. By the end of this year, I promise you, you're going to see this come true. Drastic changes in your life. Let's see, for those in relationship, what is your partner currently thinking about you? What is in their mind? What is that crush? What is that partner thinking about you? Let's see what's going on. Again, the card of justice has come up. Again, the wheel of fortune has come up. Sometimes when tarot wants to constantly tell you something, I'm just picking up cards in front of you, and you see the cards are so repetitive. The same again repeated card has come up. This person wants to spend time with you. If you're in a committed relationship and have not gone out or spent time, a quality time with your partner for the longest of the time, this is the period where you spend quality time with your partner. You will possibly go out on more dates or more vacations as well. You will take a stand. Your partner will take a stand for you now, and your partner will be sorry. This person has realized their mistake. They have accepted what they did. This person really wants to now make a change and wants to work for this relationship. Give chance for this relationship. Give chance to this committed relationship, this crush of yours, this marriage of yours. But this is a new cycle. For those who are single, do not go back to the ex. This is a new cycle. This is a new beginning card. So I'm talking about I'm talking about forgiveness to the existing relationship, not the past relationship. In fact, things have turned so much in your favor. Now you will be the one who will have the upper hand in the relationship, and your partner will want you. The same, the card of friendship, You will start off again with friends, being friends now. The trust that the person will really need you. They've realized that whatever they were focusing on, the importance that they were not giving, the emotional acceptance that they were not having, the time that they were not able to give to you, they have done wrong. They have realized they've done something wrong, and now you need them. They need you more than you need them. So keep saying this person needs me more than I need them. Keep saying the person's name. If you're single, just keep saying, I surrender to the flow, I'm ready for the new. I surrender to the flow, I'm ready for the new. In this reading, I just don't help you with what is coming up and what are the energies, but these affirmation is also what you keep getting. So this will really help you. As I said, morganite and clear quartz will be the best crystal and the best stone for you to start with. You are really going to see changes and transition in your life. In fact, in the month of January, I'm also going to come up with customized affirmations for all aspects of your life that I'm going to be giving. I'm going to be putting on Instagram as an offer around December end. That's the best time. You can book that. You can pre-book if you've seen this video. That will really help you shift your energy for the new year. Let's see what New Year's energy brings in your love life. To give you as an overall message, what is the new year bringing into your life overall, in your love, or overall, whatever cards have to say. Okay, let's see. New year is bringing, as I mentioned earlier, a lot of financial stability in your life and overall security. So your health wise is not like nothing major message for your health, career, or family life, but a major message for your financial life and your emotional security is what has come up. These two cards talk about stability, security, long-term benefit, long-term relations, all those friendships, all those relations with people, those were going bad will all get healed. The insecurity will go away, the third person will go away, the confusions will go away, the misunderstandings will go away, and you will walk forward more maturedly in the coming year. You're now ready. You are now ready for the commitment. And this is exactly the time when you're ready, when you're in all ways, physically, mentally, in your soul, opened up for a new love or existing love relationship. And this is exactly the time when universe will give you a committed relationship, because now you're ready and now your frequencies are matching it. So expect a lot of fun, a lot of excitement, a lot of romance in this coming weeks and the coming months. The first quarter looks really good. In fact, the new year starts with a very good energy. Let's see overall the universe message. If this video is helping you so far, don't forget to like and also subscribe this channel. What is it overall that universe has to let you know about your life currently? What universe wants to say? Embrace your true purpose. Begin a new adventure. Trust yourself. The exact words that I said. New fun. There's some fun, there's some charm, there's some excitement in life coming up. This new year is starting with a very good note. If you're watching this video, this is actually for you, because these messages, I've been seeing so many signs around intuitively, and my guardian angels have been guiding me to give you this message. And for this set of people, this is going to apply. I can guarantee you, claim these energies right away. You have to embrace your true purpose. The moment you start embracing, that's when you start a new journey and new beginnings. There is some new adventure. A lot of you will travel by the start of the year as well. If you've been waiting for some new series of episodes of some new journey in your life, something that you've never done in your life, all that will also start. In fact, these are so good energies, and I'm so happy that these messages have come up. I'm soon going to come up with the upcoming year. How is the upcoming year? How is every zodiac sign going to look like in career, relationship? How the whole 2025 is going to look like? A lot of things are going to come up. So stay tuned and subscribe. If you need any help, if you need any guidance, anything, comment below or WhatsApp me. I'm there for you.